Mia, let go! What are you doing?
I grabbed it first, let go!
I wish you were the perfect sister so you'd let me watch my show.
Lily!
Greetings, Lily. My name is SisterBot9000, and I'm here to help you.
Mia's a robot? This is gonna be fun.
Are you serious, Lily? You forgot my birthday?
Of course not, Mom. It's in my room. I'll be right back. Robot, you have to help me. I forgot Mom's birthday.
Calm down, Lily.
But Mom was so mad. What am I gonna do?
I'll take care of everything, Lily. Just wait here.
Huh? Whoa!
Let's see. Mom loves candles and flowers. This is everything. Time to go. Here's your presents for Mom, Lily.
Robot, you forgot the cake. Oh no!
Relax, Lily. I can make the cake with this flower. Happy birthday, Mom! Oh, Lily, you're so sweet. I love everything. Oh, you're the best daughter ever. Lily, you are not going anywhere until you finish cleaning your room, young lady.
Come on, Mom. I'll do it when I get back.
No, you are cleaning now, and that's final.
I'm not gonna have any time to go out. I know! Robot! Robot!
How can I help?
Clean my room! I need my room spotless. I don't need anything on my furniture.
Cleanup mode activated.
Make sure to get on the clothes. Now I can get ready. Huh?
Cleaning.
Robot, you're supposed to be cleaning the mess, not make one.
You said nothing on the furniture. What's going on here, Lily?
Nothing, Mom. Mia's just making a mess.
Everything has to be clean. Ugh! Lily, you're supposed to be cleaning your room, but since Mia's doing all the work for you, you're going to have to take her with you.
Mom, are you serious?
Yeah, unless you don't want to go at all. The mall will be so fun with you, sister.
Hey, Lily. Huh? Who's that?
That's my robot sister.
Robot sister?
Lily, my sensors indicate that you are nervous, but I thought you liked Kevin.
Shh, Mia!
What? Really?
Lily, your palms are sweaty. Do you need a towel?
I'm fine. Let's just order our food. Waiter! Waiter!
Hi, how can I help you today?
Lily, you go first.
Can I just get a salad?
Error. Your order is not logical. You normally eat an entire pizza.
You're so funny, Robot. I would never do that. Kevin, it's your turn.
Wait, allow me to confirm my statement.
Oh, I love pizza! Don't look at that, Kevin. This is so embarrassing. I'm gonna go.
Lily, wait, that's perfect. Let's split a pizza.
Really?
Yeah, I'd like one pizza, please.
Okay, great.
At least this date didn't turn out too bad. Mia, you look so cute. Your date's gonna love you.
Thank you, Lily.
Mia?
Greetings, Max. I am Mia.
Oh, relax, Mia. Go ahead and have a seat.
Okay, Max. Tell me about your interests.
Oh, my favorite color is red, and I love to play video games and... Huh? Mia?
Computing.
Hello? What would you like to order?
Oh, I'll take the buffalo wings and some fries. What do you want, Mia? Huh?
These appetizers are delicious. More, please.
Can order buffalo wings and spoons. Okay.
Alright, thanks. Ah! Oh, I think there's sparks between us.
If you say so, Max. What is wrong, Lily? My sensors indicate that something is wrong.
I need to finish this book report by tomorrow. Can you help me, Robot, please?
Let me see.
Thank you so much.
Reading complete.
What? You can't be serious.
Commencing essay sequence. Book report complete. Here, Lily.
Wow, that was so fast, Robot. Thank you.
I'm here to help, Lily.
Here, take this as payment.
Ooh, a new friend.
Oh no, Robot, help me. Help me, please. It's an emergency.
Yes, Lily?
My boyfriend's picking me up in 10 minutes, but my hair's soaking wet.
No problem, Lily. Activating blow dryer mode. Activating heat. Don't worry, Lily. Almost done.
Wow, it looks so good! Wow, you're the best robot sister ever!
Hurry, Lily. You're late for your date.
You're right!
All right, class, we're gonna be presenting our group research projects in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? You need to hurry.
10 minutes is enough for me. Robot!
Yes?
I need you to research for our project.
Okay. Initiating internet browsing. Browsing complete.
Yes, we got the main points done! Professor, we're ready!
Oh, I'm impressed. You can start presenting.
Hi! Today we're going to be talking about the history of video games. Let me go through my notes.
The first video game came out in 1958. The first 3D game came out in 1980. And that's how video games became so popular today.
Wow, that was amazing, Mia. You get 100%.
Yay!
Yes, we did it!
Mia did the whole presentation, so she gets the credit.
Thanks a lot, Robot.
You are welcome, Lily.
Come on, Robot, we're going to be late.
Low battery.
You'll be fine. We're just sitting in the classroom.
Huh? Lily, Mia, you're 15 minutes late.
Sorry, Robot, just...
You're interrupting my lecture. Just sit down already.
Huh? Mia, wake up! You're gonna get in trouble for sleeping in class!
Lily, this is the second time you've interrupted my class today.
Sorry, Professor.
If you want to talk, you can leave my class. You should pay more attention like your sister.
But Professor...
Just leave.
Hi, everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!